Welcome to my outdoor kitchen. Today we're gonna be making smoked chicken without a smoker in a pressure cooker. It's a work in progress, and every time we brought it a step up, it seemed to work. Today it's the ultimate step. Today we're gonna be making it with wood also. So I have dowels of oak, which I cut into 4 squares, and you're gonna see I'm putting them in the bottom of the plate, on the bottom, so like so. Then I'm gonna take one of these plates and I'm gonna put it on top of it. The idea is I wanna keep the moisture away from the wood, so when the wood starts burning to create the smoke in the pressure cooker. And again, this fits perfect inside, and I wanna reduce the I don't want the wood to get wet.
I'm gonna apologize for the audio in advance. We have a problem with the microphone, so we're going onboard camera microphone, so you're gonna hear the gardeners in the background. Sorry about that.
So, first things first, you saw how we get this. It's a strainer that fits perfect into my pressure cooker. It'll be easy to pull it out, and I'll keep the juices from going into the wood. So now all I'm gonna do is stack the chicken nice and neat. There's no right or wrong way to do this, by the way. So
what are we doing here?
now we're putting barbecue sauce on it.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put the rest of the chicken.
Sorry about the wind noise, y'all. The next one will have better audio.
I will put a little bit more barbecue sauce. Now we're not gonna add any water. I was bored and drinking whiskey when I came up with this idea.
Well, that'll do it.
So now we're gonna put that in. There goes nothing. And we're gonna let it cook on its own moisture, and it takes about 15 to 20 minutes.
That's about it, huh?
That's about it. We got heat. We're gonna close the pressure cooker. Now this is the only valve I have. I recommend the stronger valve, the higher the weight. That's the only weight that I have for it. The bigger the weight, the more pressure you create in the pressure cooker. So now we're just gonna put it right here, and it's running. And we're gonna set the timer for about 15 minutes or so. Once that thing gets done, we're gonna take it out, we're gonna let it rest, and then we're gonna put it on the grill and put grill marks on it. It'll taste like you smoked it on the grill.
So we'll see you in 20 minutes?
See you in 20 minutes.
All right.
This is a pitted olive, so make sure you take the pit out. It's not for spoiled people.
So what are you working on there now, Joe? Some of them appetizers, eh? Oh, I see.
I got this cheese from Greece. It's a grilling cheese, which we're not gonna grill it. But
What's it called?
it's called hamuli.
Holy.
Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of hamuli in it. Here, try a piece. It's good. Before you open any pressure cooker, especially this one, we have no smoke in it. You gotta pour some water to release the pressure.
So there was no pressure in it then?
Yeah, but I'm not taking any chances.
Oh no, what I'm saying is we never got any pressure.
We never got any pressure, and this point, it should wear in the fan. Okay, apparently we don't have enough heat over here. This thing is not working that good.
All right, George, let them know what we just decided to do here.
I don't think this burner puts up enough heat. I can't see it. So I can't see the flame because of the sun. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna set the timer for another 20 minutes. Actually, let's set the timer for 1 hour. So we see how long before it gets to we can see the flame here. We can't see what's going on out there.
Yeah, that's true. All right, to be continued. We'll be back.
We continue.
I went outside with the camera. George called me back in. He said it's already putting out steam. Let's check this out. Do you think that messed it up and added too much smoke, maybe, or
No, no.
And it didn't dry?
If anything, it made the wood burn the wood. It started cooking. Okay, so those side burners, they look impressive in size, but apparently they don't.
Produce enough heat, eh?
They don't produce either that or because the wind is outside.
Yeah,
and
that's true.
And it takes it away. So over here, there's no airflow, and the heat is concentrating.
All right, Georgie, what you working on here now? What do you got going on?
We're grilling some hamuli.
Which is?
Halloum.
Which is?
It's a Cypriot cheese.
All right. Where does it come from? What's the origin?
It's the island of Cyprus.
Okay.
And it's a grilling cheese. I mean, you can eat it. It resembles mozzarella, but it's a little bit stiffer than a mozzarella, which you're used to. And it's made with milk of the goat and milk of the sheep. And it's got a little bit sour taste, like a hint of lemon.
Like everything Greek, right?
Yeah, that's true. Like everything Greek, that's true.
Go to the grill real quick. Show us what the cheese looks like on the grill here.
No,
We have a problem, you said? Or?
yeah, the grill is off, but it's got enough heat.
Yeah, you got that residual heat, right? Grilling cheese. It's definitely a new one for me, y'all.
Yeah, well.
All right. Smells good. It smells like a grilled cheese right now. Kind of weird. I smell heavy smoke, though.
You can smell the wood burning inside.
Yeah.
You can smell the wood, eh?
Yeah, that's smoke and steam.
So we're getting to working.
Is this the cheese that just came out? Cheese just came out, man. Let's try this. I don't know. Good. Not all cheeses are created equal, George. Different. I mean, it's cheese, right? Grilled. Burn. Grilled. A lot of burn.
Oh, the pressure cooker is actually spinning.
I hear it. Sounds like a choo-choo train. The grilled cheese is not the ticket, by the way. Just saying.
Melted wood. I just can't wait to see what happens to the wood inside here. Definitely, you can smell the fire inside the.
Oh yeah, big time. It's choo-choo train. I think it might be too much smoke. I think that's what's gonna happen. It might be too smoky. What do you think?
Well, then we have more chicken. We'll put less.
It's like a smokehouse in here now. I like it.
It does smell like a smokehouse.
It's gonna smell good.
Pressurized smoker. We're onto something. Now this got pressure in it, so you gotta be careful. The moment.
Just so y'all know, I'm hiding behind a pole right now as we're shooting this shot because I'm a big chicken. All right, go ahead.
Alright. So there's no smoke coming out. See? Holy sh**.
It actually looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
It looks like it got burnt on the top.
The sauce definitely burnt. I think that's what we smell, burning sauce.
Okay, well, I want to see what we did with the wood.
Okay.
So,
Did you just bend 2 forks to make it? That's pretty cool.
look at that sauce. Look at what happened to the wood.
Charred.
It charred. Wow. It's going inside my whiskey bottle. The other side is not so bad. The one that was from the bottom that hit the wood. Okay. Moment of truth.
You think it's cooked through all the way?
We're gonna find out.
That's something like maybe you could finish on the grill if it's not cooked through all the way.
Well, that was the idea. Oh,
What?
too smoky.
Way too smoky?
Way too smoky.
Yeah. Too much smoke. So if anyone ever thought about doing something like this,
Don't do it.
don't do it.
Previously, I had it done without the wood, and but if you like really, really woody fire, oh god,
Like smoky, smoky, woody.
the grill is on, and I'm gonna finish this. This shouldn't be. It's smoky.
Oh yeah. Get like that. You know what it tastes like? Like espresso would be if you burnt coffee almost.
Yeah, it's definitely an acquired taste.
This one didn't cook through all the way either. You might want to get them in. This didn't cook through.
No,
No. But it's good. I like the taste of the meat. I like that heavy smoke.
you like that?
Yeah, I do. But this isn't cooked through. And I'm not trying to shits. Bottle. You're gonna put the charcoal sticks that we just used into inside a wine bottle, what you said.
Yeah.
And now what does that do? Does it make your wine smoky?
Well,
or-
this is charcoal filter now. Borderline charcoal. Watch. It will literally say caught on fire.
Oh yeah.
This is charcoal.
Do it to a whiskey.
It smoothens it out.
Oh, let's check on these chickens.
One minute you're calling them girls, the next minute you're calling them chickens. What are they?
Well, they're female chickens. We're not eating male chickens.
How do you know that?
Because you don't eat roosters. That's why. There's not a rooster, a hen, and a chicken. They're all chickens, right? But we're only eating hens. You don't eat roosters. So that's why I called them girls. Makes sense, Georgie? Mike is begging. Begging? Can't be begging. There's no begging allowed here, bud. So George just added a little bit of barbecue sauce. Keep yelling at him to stop starting without me. It is a cooking show, you know.
It will thicken up in gelatin, so that will make a nice.
All right.
I'm gonna make this work. Stay tuned. Well, this isn't. I don't like to take no for an answer. I know I'm into something. I can get it to taste like smoky, but I didn't have the wood flavor in it. I tried to put the wood flavor. Apparently, I went overboard.
Yeah.
And next project, I get wood, I get chicken, and I got a mess to cleaning up. Oh, you know what's call it in a pressure cooker. But go ahead, try that.
Oh, you're not gonna try it with me?
I'm gonna take a piece.
There you go.
I mean, it feels like.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh, it went away.
The smoky flavor went away?
No, it's there. Where it's still heavy. It's still on the heavy side.
I would destroy this.
You are just trying.
Napkin, please. George, I say you hit it on the. You know, we're experimenting, but I say you hit it on the head.
Well, we left off the series thinking that it was a decent failure. It was smelled too much wood. It tasted like I was eating the tree. We grilled them, shut the grill off, had a little bit of whiskey, talked. At least an hour later, we went back in, still juicy, still tender, smoky, but I'm not eating a tree. The experiment continues. This is gonna become a science experiment, trust me. I'm obsessed, and I'm gonna find out why. But if I have to sit around for an hour, it's worth it. And find me somebody that doesn't like whiskey. All I need is less wood.